Hello, welcome to another video in the series on how to use CNC Write. This video will give a quick overview of the user interface. The window is divided into two main parts. The top half contains parameters that tell CNC Write how to engrave the text, while the parameters on the bottom half tell CNC Write what text to engrave. Starting at the top left, the text parameters and justification sections. The fields in these two sections control the size, horizontal and vertical spacing, and alignment of the text. Moving down the page are the settings to indicate which axis to use, the start point of the text and the rotation angle. Next to that are the settings to control the feed rates. Moving to the top right part of the window, there are settings to allow more complex engraving jobs to be put into one file. Directly below that are some settings that are unique to certain mill-turn machines. The last item above the tab pages is a checkbox that puts a copy of the G-codes on the clipboard when the G-code file is saved. The bottom half of the window contains 6 tab pages. First, the freeform text page. This is the most basic way to engrave text. It just engraves the text that you type in. Second is circle text. This will engrave a single line of text around a circle, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Third, we have an ellipse tab, which is very similar to the circle, except it engraves around an ellipse. The sequence tab is very useful if you need to put serial numbers on parts. The Machine tab gives a place to add G-codes that may be needed before engraving starts and after engraving ends. These can be saved in different files if needed for different machines. This way you will not need to manually add these G-codes every time you do a new engraving job. Finally, the About tab just has basic information about the version of CNC Write running. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. I will be posting another video later this week that will go into details on the text parameters and justification. If you need to know more before the videos are finished, you can find good explanations of all the fields by clicking the different parts of the image on the screenshots page of the website at cncwrite.com. Until next time.